It seems like the last few years have been a barrage of recall after recall after recall in our medications. And October is no exception. It seems that the medication Duloxetine has now had a recall issued by the FDA because some of the substances used to make this pill are known to cause cancer. Now, this pertains to specific lots of the medication. The medication itself is not problematic or cancer causing, but there are 7,000 bottles out there that have been recalled. So if you have Duloxetine, please take a minute and check your bottle against the FDA's recall list. If you need help, call your pharmacy and ask if yours was among the recalled medication. We've seen this in metformin, we've seen this in Zantac, we've seen it in several medications over the last several years. I'm afraid this may become something we see more often. So keep up to date, get rid of the medications that might have those cancer-causing substances in it. And if you already consumed those pills, don't panic too much. Most of these cancer-causing substances require time and repeated exposure. Taking it for a short period of time is not likely to cause significant harm. And at this point, it's behind you anyway. All right, keep following ShillMed and like the video for more health news.